Guys, we just hit the volcano. We need to go up there and see what's up there. So let's put this back into place. Let's see. These trees look weird, but who cares? Next we're going to ice. So next we're gonna go to like a big statue. So we're gonna go to volcano plat. Let's see what's up there. Oh my god, that is crazy. Let's try landing like this. Retard. B. Engine off. Oh my god. What was that, guys? What was that? What? Let's go up into the air. Oh, I'm level 7. So I just need to go. I just need to turn. That's where it is. So guys, we're gonna be going to the iceberg. So you guys can watch it. Oh my god, let's do this. Let's do this. Oh, I can buy that. Nah, listen. What is that thing? Let's go down a bit. Are those ships? What are those? Oh, those are oil canes. Oils. Do not land on these. These are gonna cause your ship to break, cause those are for helicopters only. But retard, engine failure. Engine failure. Iceberg, we're here. For your homeland. We don't have to land on that big thing, but it's not. We don't have to land there, but it's pretty hard to land here. We almost have flow. 750 miles. Dang. Sorry, guys, I did not. Temperature and chance of rain 26, 24. Retard, we have made it. Retard. Made it, iceberg. Retard. G, break. Again, failure landing. Steady. B. Failure landing. Again, we need to go up in the air. Everyone will be safe and nice and cozy when you guys arrive at your destination. First, we need to drop off gas cans. Not to blow up the plane. Why would we do that? We're freaking pilots. Oh, retard. Snow's deep. Retard. Once again, snow is deep. Retard. We're gonna have to. Retard. Okay. Snow is deep again. Retard. Eject ourselves. Retard. Plane has stopped. We can go back. Okay, let's go back, guys. Retard. Oh my god, that's pretty hard. How did I do not? And we had to. Okay, we're level 8, almost 50,000 cash. Reach 50,000. Okay, easy. Gabriel. Oh shoot! Retard! Shoot! Retard! Plane has crashed. We have died of drownness. But no, we didn't really die, but we need to lean back there to spawn. Bro, this is how the little snow is so glitchy, but who the hell is that? See, I can get that. Yay. Nah, I'm gonna try to save up for this bad boy. Killer G's. It goes Killer G's. I really did not have this. Engine on. Juice. Where we are, let's see how far we are. Okay, so we're Alaska, Finwell Island. Gonna take us about approximately 10 hours, so a whole day. So we're gonna see how far it's gonna take us. Not really whole 10 days in this video, like it's just gonna pretend to take 10 days. Oh my god, my back hurts. Retard. There's the island nearby. We can do there. The plane has been out of control. Someone has damaged the system. We're gonna have to go like this, guys. Hug your parents in case we're gonna have to eject ourselves. Psych, we don't have to do that, but we might have to. What's happening? The gear is wrong. Gear's off. Gear off. The engine off. I think we're pretty good. I think we're steady. Steady, guys. Retard down. Engine failure. Engine failure. Boo! Midway. Okay, we did not lose control, but that island's too small. We're gonna have to go over here, guys. It's gonna be okay, but we might be able to do it if the lane is really big or long. So let's see, guys. Hug your parents in case. Coastline. We're at coastline, guys. New Mexico coastline. We need to go down. Engine failure. Level 9. Now, 5,000 feet. We need to go down. Light tower. Very dark. Gonna go to sleep, guys. So you guys can go to sleep. We are gonna drive. We can't do that, but we might be able to if the plane is steady enough. Nope. We cannot. We need to go again. Steady. We can do it, guys. We're gonna be able to land safely. Just wait. Okay, so like that. Nope, we might not to. The plane is too fast. We're still trying to make it on the island, guys, but be careful. We're gonna have to go very down and put on your seatbelt to max tight. Okay, down. We can actually try to make this. No, we need to try again. Because of engine failure. We need to go up. We're gonna go to sleep, guys. You guys can go to sleep. We got the plane under control. So guys, we have woken up. The engine failure is gone. We can try to make this thing go down. Engine failure off. So guys, we're gonna probably might not be able to make it on the runway, but we still might be able to make it. Down, up. Kgs, the 1,000 kgs we have reached. Steady. We have made it, guys, successfully. You guys are now able to go when we break. So we have made it. You guys should pay me our money after we have gone through. So guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. If we can reach 10 likes and 5 subscribers, we can do a part 3 of this. Bye, guys.